YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use the Grok images to create AI video. So guys, if you want to create the Grok images to the AI video, so guys, here you see that I have a multiple video of the Grok that I am download and I am created. And when you are going into the image section, it is freely available also. Okay, so first you download this image, save as. Okay, so you save it in your system, the first image, the second one. Okay, now after saving the image, you simply open your Gemini. Basically in this video we use these Grok images using Gemini. So first you click here, then click here for Gemini. After that guys, here you see there is a option of videos, so you just click the option of videos. Now here you describe your video. So I just describe the video like make a video for children's play park. Okay, so you just go here and paste your upload file, go for downloads and choose your image. Okay, so they both are image, just paste here. Okay, now here you see both of the images are, and the end also mention use the above image as child. Okay, so guys, you just wait a few seconds, and a few moments it's analyzing and it start creating the video. Okay, so let's wait, it's defining this scenario, start preparing video. So it's totally depend on your internet and your speed. So if you have a good internet speed, so you can get faster response. Now guys, here you see that my video is ready, and guys, here you see the same character that it is used in my video. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can create a video. So guys, this is the way that you can create a video. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.